CBI now to record a statement from Sushant Singh's father and other family members. The statements to be recorded today. This is the big news that we're tracking here. CBI is all set to record Sushant's family statements today. Sushant's father is going to be summoned to record his statement. The CBI, which is currently probing the case, is going to be looking at all angles, including whether Sushant's family as well as Sushant were on good terms. Of course, that's also an angle that the CBI is going to be probing. Sushant's father has now been summoned to take in all those details. So Sushant's family members may also be summoned by the CBI to take their statements on what really happened, their allegations and their equations with Sushant. In fact, the father, who is the complainant, and the sister's statement also will be recorded. The father is a complainant to the case. The father himself has filed an FIR against Riya Chakravarti and family. He will also be summoned by the CBI to record his statement, along with the sister of Sushant, who will be summoned for recording her statement. Manish Pandey joining us live for more on this. Manish, the CBI to record statements of Sushant's family members. What do you think really is the CBI going to be asking Sushant's family members here? Do you think this angle, where politicians like Sanjay Raut are coming out and making statements, very irresponsible statements without actually having any proof to it, that Sushant did not have much of a connection with his family members towards the end, will all of that also be looked at by the CBI?
Well, Navila, this is a very big development as far as the entire case is concerned. And remember, CBI is a central probe agency which is now investigating the abatement of suicide charges against Riya Chakravarti. And now what CBI will be doing is they will be recording statement of Sushant's father and sisters of Sushant. Now, what we really know at this point of time, and we do have confirmation from the Central Bureau of Investigation, that they will be approaching the father, who is the main complainant in the case, and they will be asking to record his statement again. First statement was given to the Bihar police, but now CBI will be recording, and the main focus will be on the allegations that Riya Chakravarti tried to separate Sushant from the family members, the point which Mr. Sanjay Raut is raising at this point of time, as you also mentioned. Apart from that, CBI will also be asking whether he has any proof that 17 crore was in account of Sushant and that was siphoned off by Riya Chakravarti and family members. Also, CBI will be asking about the charges that Sushant's father leveled in the Bihar police's FIR, that whether they have any proof that he was given overdose of medicines and Riya was basically controlling his life. So all this will be asked again by Central Bureau of Investigation to Sushant's father, but this time it will not be only a statement. He will also be asked to provide if any evidence he has regarding those charges. Also, what is going to be crucial is that CBI will be recording statement of Sushant's sister, because even sisters have come up during the investigation. They have made several charges. There have been charges by Riya Chakravarti that one of the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput tried to molest her. So these are the charges by Riya Chakravarti. The family of Sushant has leveled several charges against Riya Chakravarti. So CBI has decided to record the statement of sisters also, and this is going to be first big step by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the death case of Sushant Singh Rajput. And remember, India Today was the first channel to break this story, that CBI will be recording this statement, and today CBI had decided to approach the father and sisters to record their statement.
Right. Thank you very much, Manish, for joining us. Manish there is going to be tracking all those details, bringing us information from inside the CBI sources, giving us all that